Hello world, Heather Thrills here. Let's get 3 minutes of ab work in right now. Firing up your core in 10 seconds, okay? Let's meet up in a high plank position. Woo! Let's meet up. So send those legs back, squeeze through the core, push the ground away beneath you. We're gonna take that right knee and drive it towards the right tricep. And then just float it back. Right knee, right tricep. If you need to hold the whole plank in the middle of these reps, go ahead. But just keep repping it out, bringing that right knee to the right tricep, trying to lift up a little bit higher every time you're pulling the leg up. Oosh! Burning through those obliques, getting that crunch. And if you're anything like me, you're feeling it in the hips. We got 3. Do one more and switch. Other side, going to the left. Really try to push the ground away to avoid any dropping through the shoulders. Tap that tricep. If you want a little challenge, you can hold it up there, push the ground away, try to keep equal weight through the hands. We only got 10 seconds here. Keep driving. Try to pull it up. Get into those glutes a little, get into those obliques, carving this core out. Let's finish it strong. And drop to your knees, cross your ankles, let your feet come out in front, dropping the hips back. Lower down, take a breath. And then on the next out breath, bring your hands up and your leg up. So one V up, just on the right side. Exhale, bring it up. Exhale to the top. Keep that going. Just on the right side. Try to get the arms and the leg moving at the same time. Try to keep that leg straight if you can. If not, just keep showing up. You get better and better. Let's switch to the other side, just the left. Exhale, bring it up. Exhale, reach for those feet. Drive the thigh to the chest. Keep breathing. Let's go. I'm in this with you, baby. Let's do it. Working hard together. And switch to the right. Exhale, bring it up. We got this. I could have made you do 30 seconds straight on one side. No way. Let's break it up in 2 15s. Exhale it up and change. Last side. Let's go. Exhale to lift. Keep your chest proud. Keep breathing. The main component is the breath. Keep that momentum. We're going into straight up sit-ups after this. So in 3, 2, one more rep. Bring your feet down to the floor. And just anywhere you want your hands, on your shoulders, behind your head, anywhere. You can be reaching. Exhale, bring it up. Try to target that whole abdominal down. Bring it up, exhale. Try to slowly lower on your way back. And if you want to make it more intense, keep the elbows into the ribs. Exhale to rise up. We got this, cheers. We got this. Exhale to drive it up. We're going to go victory lap. Ready? We're going hands underneath, so make a little diamond to support yourself. Bring your hands underneath your tailbone, feet to the top, okay? Drop your right leg down, lift your right leg back up. Drop the left leg down, hover over the ground, exhale and bring it back up. Inhale, drop the right. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, drop the left. Exhale, bring it up. And again, right. Left. Using that breath, right. Left. Right. Left. One more on the right and on the left. Excellent. And just drop your feet so that they touch and your knees out wide. We're going to give those hips a break for a breath. Take a big breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Mission accomplished, friends. Let's hang out here for a couple more breaths and just feel the gratitude we have for our body, for our systems, for this great work that we're capable of doing. One more breath in with me. And out, let it go. You can hang out and butterfly all you want. I'm going to rock and roll to the top to tell you guys to have a super blessed whatever time of day it is where you are at. And I feel super blessed that you watched this video. So thank you so much. Please, if you liked it, please subscribe. And maybe you could like it for real and share it. Thanks so much. I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.